Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1 microwave oven. This countertop appliance combines a microwave, air fryer, convection oven and boiler into one compact unit. So if you are thinking about replacing multiple appliances with one space-saving solution, you can check out the product link in the description box below. So the Panasonic HomeChef stands out because of its 4-in-1 functionality. It includes a 1000 watt inverter microwave, air fryer mode, convection blade, and flash express boiler. The inverter technology is designed to provide you the even heating and defrosting rather than cycling power on and off like the traditional microwaves. It basically has 1.2 cubic foot interior with a 14.2 inches of turnable, which is spacious enough for most of the family meals. The air fryer function is impressive for a countertop unit. It also produces crispy fries, nuggets, and wings without preheating and without the excess oil of deep frying. The convection bake mode works well for roasting chicken, baking small casseroles, and even cookies. Heat distribution is also consistent, especially for a compact appliance. The broiler function is strong and effective for browning and crisping, though it can run hot, so you will want to monitor closely. Now for the trade-offs, while the 1000-watt microwave power is sufficient, it's not the safest for reheating large portions as compared to the higher wattage standalone microwaves. And while it saves space by combining four appliances, it still occupies the noticeable countertop room. The build quality feels solid, the stainless steel exterior looks modern, and controls are also intuitive. Cleaning is relatively easy thanks to the interior coating and removable turnables. So, if you want a versatile space saving appliance that can air fry, bake, broil, and microwave in one unit, it can be a strong choice. But if you only need a basic microwave, you may find cheaper alternatives. So, if you want to check the product out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.